Okay, here we have a cuboid ABCDH. Okay, with length 4 meters, height 1.5 meters, and width 2 meters. And we're going to try and know that x is the midpoint of the side EF. So here's EF, and there's x, and it's on the midpoint. So that distance there from E to x will be half of 4, which is 2. First thing we want to do is find the length AC, and then find these various other things. So to start off with, we're going to just look at a different diagram, a different way of looking at this using Google SketchUp to help us get a handle on what's happening. So we want to find AC. So let's just draw in the line AC here. Okay, and let's just, what we notice, we've got a triangle here. This side is 2. Now because this side is 4, this side will be 4, and this side will be 4. Now if we just shade this little area in here, so as to make it easier for us to see the triangle we're dealing with. In all these questions, what you're trying to do is find the triangle, the right angle triangle, that will help you find the answer to your question. And I'm just going to rotate this round. If we rotate this round, what we notice, sorry, if I just try and rotate it, there we go, so a bit more vertically. What we notice is we've got A, C and D form a right angle triangle. Okay, and that is with this side 2 and this side 4, so we can find this side using Pythagoras, and that is what we're going to use to do our question. So here's the triangle A, C and D, and the height is 1.5 and the length is 4.0. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared to help us do this. So we need to label each side. C is always the longest side. So let's put in C just. Let's put in C just here. And we shall call this side A. It doesn't matter what you call the other two sides, and we'll call this side B in the formula. So as we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, it's always a good idea to write out your formulas. It helps you learn them each time you use them. We're going to get 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. So 4 plus 16 will give us 20 for c squared. So therefore we're going to need to square root that to find c. Now if we bring in our graphical calculator and we type in the square root of 20, some questions may ask you to work it out to so many decimal places. Some might ask you for third answer. There's a third form, 2 times root 5. We'll write down the decimal as well in this question. So we got C will equal 4.472. And we're just going to leave it at 4.47 to 3SF. Okay, so that's the first part of our question.